Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level algebra and arithmetic are nothing but dry worksheets, rigid drills, and repetitive calculations that drain all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 7-8 brain teaser called the Mathematical Jigsaw Puzzle, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an intuitive visual strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. When you put the puzzle pieces together correctly, they form a rectangle with a calculation on it. What is the result of this calculation? A. Minus 14. B. Minus 6. C. 8. D. 12. E. 212. Here's the challenge: solving a mathematical jigsaw puzzle. We have 5 small puzzle pieces, the number 5, 1, 3, 2, and a minus sign. It's a fun mix of visual logic and arithmetic that's perfect for beginners. First, you need to identify the ends. The 2 piece has a completely flat left edge, so it forms our solid left wall. The 1 piece serves as the right wall. Think of it like framing a house. You absolutely must set up your solid outer walls before filling in the middle. Second, we've got to connect the middle pieces, the 5, the minus sign, and the 3, by matching their sticking out knobs to the cutout holes. Now, since the minus sign has 1 right blank and 1 left outward tab, where else could it possibly go without breaking the chain? Literally nowhere else but the middle, that is, between 5 and 3. That gives us a strict visual order of 2, 5, minus 3, 1. Finally, we do the math by reading our correctly ordered expression. 25 minus 31. Look, mental math isn't about holding massive numbers in your head. It's just about breaking things down into manageable chunks. 25 minus 31 gives you a quick mental math answer of -6. Remember, those multiple choice answers are just traps for different visual arrangements. Only one physical fit is the true equation. So if you let the physical interlocking shapes guide your logic first, the mental math will perfectly fall right into place. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.